Hi, introducing the new compact flagship smartphone, Vivo X200 Pro Mini. Despite its small size, it packs impressive specs that make it one of the best in its class. Vivo X200 Pro Mini features a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 2640 by 1216 pixels and a dynamic refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, providing a smooth and clear image. Its compact size and thin bezels make it comfortable to use with one hand. The smartphone is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, providing high performance and energy efficiency. Configurations are available with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and internal storage of up to 1 terabyte, which allows you to store a large amount of data and run resource-intensive applications without delays. The main camera includes a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-818 sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with autofocus, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, providing high-quality photos in a variety of shooting conditions. The smartphone supports video recording in up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, as well as portrait mode video in 1080p. Vivo X200 Pro Mini is equipped with a 5,700 mAh battery, providing up to 9.5 hours of active screen time. With support for 90-watt fast charging, the device charges to 100% in just 50 minutes. It also supports 30-watt wireless charging and reverse charging to recharge other devices. The smartphone is equipped with an optical fingerprint scanner, providing quick and reliable access to the device. In addition, it supports contactless payment, which makes it convenient for everyday use. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini combines powerful hardware, high-quality cameras, and a compact design, making it a great choice for those looking for a powerful and convenient smartphone. At around $650, it offers features comparable to more expensive models and is a worthy competitor in the compact flagship market.